Welcome. Today we're going to move on to geometry. This first lesson should hopefully be a very simple lesson, and I'm going to go very quickly through it. I recommend you have another web page open that you can Google and look words up. You can look up things in a dictionary. So I'm not trying to trick you or make this any harder. I just think that that's what the internet's for, and that's really good. So when a question asks, is this a polygon? You could look up the definition of a polygon. And the one thing you're going to see is that it's going to have straight lines. So if you ever see curves, that is not a polygon. Again, is this a polygon? Another thing you're going to learn about a polygon is it's got to be enclosed. So in other words, it's like there's a room and there's an inside of the polygon and there's an outside of the polygon. All the sides have to be straight, no curves. So yes, that is a polygon. Again, look the definition up on the internet or in a dictionary. Polygon, absolutely it's a polygon. All straight sides, and there's an enclosed area and there's an outside area. So yes, that is a polygon. Then it says, how many sides does a heptagon have? There is nothing wrong with you looking up, Googling on your phone, or, what is a heptagon? I believe a heptagon is 7 sides. I'm going to see if I just know what it is, and it is. Heptagon is 7 sides. Now, what's a regular polygon? A regular polygon means that all the sides have to be the same length, and all the angles in the polygon have to be the same measure. This is definitely not a regular polygon. This is concave polygon, but it's definitely not a regular, because a regular polygon has all the same side lengths and all the same angle measures. So this would be a regular polygon. All the side lengths are equal. All these angles look like they're the same measure. So yes, that one would be considered a regular polygon. How many sides does an octagon have? Again, look it up if you need to. I always remember an octagon is a stop sign, and a stop sign has 8 sides. Or octopus has 8 legs. So octagon has 8 sides. Is this a polygon? Absolutely. All straight edges. There's an inside and there's an outside, an enclosed figure. Is this a polygon? Absolutely. How many sides does a hexagon have? Again, if you need to look it up, by all means do so. I believe a hexagon is 6 sides. Let's see if I'm right. I am. Very good. Is this a polygon? First of all, there cannot be curves, and it's opened. There's not an enclosed, it's open. So this is definitely not a polygon. Too many curves, can't have any curves at all. How many sides does a triangle have? Triangle, hopefully you all know that a tri means 3, triangle is 3 sides. How many sides does a pentagon have? I always think of the Pentagon in Washington. The Washington Pentagon, I picture that in my mind, and I picture 5 sides. Is this shape a regular polygon? Remember, this is not a regular polygon. This angle here is not the same as this weird angle here. So it has to look very symmetric. How many sides does a decagon have? I like to think of the decagon like the decimal system. The decimal system is 10 numbers. The decagon is 10 sides. But again, if you need to look it up, by all means do so. Is this a polygon? Well, every side looks straight and it's enclosed. So yes, it is a polygon. Now, it's not a regular polygon, but it is a polygon. How many more sides does a hexagon have than a triangle? So now they're throwing in a little math. Remember, hexagon is a 6-sided, triangle is a 3-sided, so a hexagon has 3 more sides than a triangle has. Is this shape a regular polygon? It is not. And the reason it's not is this angle here is smaller than this angle here. This angle looks above 90 degrees. This looks below 90 degrees. And to be a regular polygon, all the sides have to be the same length, and the angle measures inside have to be the same. So no, that is not a regular polygon. How many sides do 2 triangles and 2 nonagons have? Well, 2 triangles is a total of 6 sides. So again, 2 triangles with 3 sides each, and I'm going to add that to 2 nonagons. And again, if you need to look it up to find out that a nonagon has 9 sides, that means I have 6 plus 18, or I have a total of 24 sides for that number of triangles and pentagons. Again, they're throwing in some math, so that's all right. They can throw in some math. Okay, how many sides does a dodecagon have? This one I'm actually unsure of. I think it's 12. I'm pretty sure it's 12, but I am honestly looking up in a dictionary right now the word dodecagon, and there is nothing wrong with doing that. Dodecagon. Let's see, Dodecag. Oops. And I can't use my dictionary. Plane figure with 12 sides. I was right. A dodecagon is 12 sides. Again, this is stuff you could easily look up on your phone. How many sides does one octagon and 3 decagons have? An octagon is 8 sides. A decagon is 10. 3 of the 10-sided would be 30, plus the 8 would be 38 sides. So again, I like that they're throwing in a little math with this. How many more sides does a dodecagon have than a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is 4. The dodecagon we just found out was 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. There's 8 sides more. How many sides does a heptagon have? Heptagon, I believe, is a 7-sided. Oh, wow, look at that. They bring up some stuff here, trapezoids. But anyway, heptagon is 7 sides. Again, look it up if you're unsure. Is this a polygon? Ooh, I do not like this curved side, so no, it's not a polygon. Is this shape a regular polygon? All the sides look the same length, and these angle measures look the same. Kind of looks like it's nice, symmetric in every way. So yes, that is a regular polygon. Is this shape a regular polygon? Yes. All the sides look the same length. All these angles look the same measure. Is this a polygon? That's the one we had at the very beginning. Absolutely not. Way too many curves. Polygons are all straight edged. Is this shape a regular polygon? It is not. This side here is a lot longer than these two sides, plus this angle here is a lot bigger than these little angles. Remember, all the angles have to be the same, and all the sides have to be the same in order for it to be a regular polygon. If you have questions, please do look things up on your phone. That's what it's for. Don't spend any longer than you have to. And if you have questions, please bring them to class.